diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with another unboxing. This is another small kit, but this is going to be my third kit for DP for Pets. I think I'm going to finish this one first, and then I'll show you my other two, this finish and the other one that I've done. As you can see, this is a pretty small kit. So let me get everything out of the box and I'll show you what I'm going to be working on. So we've got all the usual things. We've got our drills, of course. This is a round drill kit, so we'll look at those in a minute. We've got our toolkit. We've got our stickers. We've got, these are the instructions, which I don't need. Also, this is a kit which was a gift. So this is one that I believe they bought off of the Amazon Diamond Art Club store. So you're supposed to register within 30 days of purchase. Obviously, I'm beyond that. This was a Christmas gift. So there's those things. So before we look at the stickers, let's see what's in our toolkit. So we've got a typical toolkit. We've got their tray with the little stopper for it. We've got a bag of baggies. We've got a scrunchie. We've got our diamond painting pen with a 4-placer and a 7-placer. We've got our heart wax. We've got a very pretty floral washi tape. And then we have this very cute little box of tulips cover minder. So one of the kits, I don't think they offer cover minders in all their kits anymore. I think they ended up taking them out, but I'm liking the ones I'm seeing so far. All right, let me get all this put back in the bag and then I'll be right back and we'll look at all the stickers. All right, so what kit am I doing? I am doing Aurora the Unicorn. So this is by Dragons and Beasties. I've actually done another kit by them, the Butterfly, Fiona Butterfly Dragon, I think was the name of it. I really enjoyed that one. So when I saw this unicorn one, I was like, oh, I want to try this one. Now it is smaller. It is only 33 by 33, so not too huge. We've got 37 colors. And it looks like we've got 5 ABs in it. So that'll be interesting. No Z codes, so no fairy dust drills, but that's okay. I'm really curious to see how this one works up. So 37 colors. And I do have the little sticker for the logbook as well. I just didn't show that one to you guys because I wanted this to be a surprise. Let me grab the canvas. All right, I think most of this fits on the screen. It's a little, needs to relax a little bit. Got a little crunched in that corner, but. So we've got our schematic on both sides. Symbols are nice and clear. It's nice and sticky. I never have a concern with Diamond Art Club for those. Like I said, it looks like we've got 5 ABs. So I'll be interested to see where those go on the canvas. And at least they have done something that so many of us appreciate. So number 1 is actually the symbol 1, number 2 the symbol 2, etc. They skipped 6, but they did 7, 8, and 9. So 1 through 9, except for 6, are all also the numbers 1 through 9, which is appreciated. It gets so confusing when the number 2 serial number is number 3 or number 1, or they're off or whatever. So I appreciate having them in order like that. There is 310 in the background of this, but it doesn't look like there's very much. There is some right here on the eye and eyelash. Pretty confetti heavy canvas. I don't see a ton of multi-placing. There are some sections where you'll be able to multi-place, but still pretty confetti heavy. It does need to relax a little bit. I did redo the cover sheet because it was a little puckered with the cover sheet, so hopefully it's laying flat enough you guys can see it. All right, so it says 33 by 33. Let's measure and see if that's what it is. So it's 32 and a half by, if I flatten all this out, by about 32 and a half. Now, is it 13 by 13, which is what they say? No, it is 12 3/4, a little over, by the same on this one. So a little under 33 and a little under 13. All right, let me grab the drills and we'll look at those. So we've got 1 bag of black and 1 bag of very, very dark blue. Not sure why these were separate, but Then in this sleeve, we've got a light blue, a blue, a purple, a very dark blue. There's one of our ABs. It's very like a baby pink, a very, very dark purple, kind of a mulberry color, a purple, ooh, kind of a turquoise sky blue AB. That's very pretty. A peach, a turquoise blue, a white, a light blue, kind of a sagey green turquoise, and a darker blue. So that's 2 ABs. That's the blue and the pink. Let's see what the other ones look like. So we've got another kind of mulberry pink, watermelon pink, a very, very kind of dark berry red, a dove gray, a purple, a very, very pale, you can tell that's gray or blue, a gray. There's another blue in an AB. Then we've got a pink, a light gray, some white ABs, a dark blue, a dark gray, a purple, kind of a dark green turquoise, a rose pink, a purple, some yellow ABs, another dark gray, kind of a coral color, and then a pale yellow. So if we look at our ABs, we had this yellow AB, which is going to go just kind of these little stars dotted around is where that one is going to go. Then we had the white AB, which is the stars kind of all dotted around here in the background. There's a few on the unicorn itself, but mostly the stars in the background. And then we have our light blue AB, which is through the mane here, is a highlight through the mane. Our 4th AB was this kind of darker blue AB, and that is through this blue section of the mane. And then we had our pink AB, which is dotted here throughout the mane and up here at the top. So lots of ABs in this kit. That's 5 ABs. I don't have any fairy dust drills that I've purchased. All I have are ABs, and I don't think I'm going to get any at this point. Maybe after the move is completed, we'll see. So not a ton of drills, but 37 colors. So lots of shading going to be going on in the mane as expected. Some little roses in there as well. Of course, the unicorn horn. I wonder if I might dig out, I think I have some ABs in the color of the unicorn horn. I might dig out the ABs for that and do that as well. It's already got 5 ABs in it, so I don't want to add too many more, but it might be fun to do, like I said, the unicorn horn, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how I feel as I kit it up and get going on it. So this is going to be my 3rd project for DP for Pets. My projects this year have all been kind of small, but after doing the huge Josephine wall in May, that's where I'm at. That's my happy place right now, so that's what I'm going to do. Plus, it means I can complete more things because they're smaller, so win-win. I will stick a link to this down below. Like I said, I believe this was bought off of their Amazon Diamond Art Club store, so I'll stick a link to that. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.